life tonight. It's a good thing my life was not in danger, right? Because it would have not gone well for me. This is a, let me see here. She's just looking off to the side over here. Let me see what she basically feels like. Something like that. Got a little round nose like that, a little roundness. And then she got like a pretty small, like but perky smile. So that's kind of like what I see. So now let me, it looks pretty elementary there, right? Okay, let me see here. All right. And then I'm going to do something like this. Here I'm going to borrow something from over here. I'm going to borrow some eyelashes from over there too. I think that's a sound part of her picture. All right. Y'all can draw along with me if you want. I know you ain't doing nothing because if you're watching this stream tonight, that means your Saturday night is, you're in for the night. You ain't doing nothing. All right. Maybe watching college football, maybe. Maybe. All right, let's put some lips here. And this little nose here. Yep. And then on top of everything going weird at work, people were just being mean tonight, man. They were like, no, get away from us. I was like, oh, my goodness. All this violence, man. All this violence. It must be getting close to holiday season, you know? So everybody's kind of trying to get their Christmas gifts together, I guess, maybe. All right. By the way, if you guys want a request, holler at me. I'll do a request, You want me to draw somebody that you follow, right? You want to see what they would look like. Oh man, well I might have went a little bit high on this one, so let me see. I'm just gonna do like this here. Okay. Then we'll come over here. Do some little curly, swiggly hairs, right? Okay. And some little dimples here. Okay. Okay, that one looks good. That one looks good. Mm-hmm. Okay. So I don't know. What can I make? What can I put? I don't even know her. Well, it said her name is Daisy, or is that the name of the person? I don't know. Let me see. Daisy. Oh no, Daisy is the name of the person that made this up. Oh, I get it. I hope I didn't lose the pic. Oh, there it is. Okay, so I don't know. We'll just name her Daisy either way. I'm gonna do some cool little bubble letters here. I tell you, man, when I got a lot on my mind, I love to sit back and just draw and create stuff, right? Cartoons have always been, I don't know, just been a pivotal part of my life. I still watch cartoons to this day, right? Yeah, I'm a grown man that sits around and watches, because you got to watch something happy. Because me, I already have this. I'm gonna break out my $18 word today: propensity, right? To get depressed, right? So I had to watch things that make me happy. My wife actually turned me on to that. She was like, "Why?" I was like, "I can't get why I'm always pissed." She's like, "Because you stay on TikTok too much." And look at your feed. Your feed is gonna tell you everything that you're interested in. Your feed is going to tell you, because it's going to keep feeding you and feeding you and feeding you, right? Right. Yeah. So, and I was like, yeah, because my TikTok had a lot of murder and people just doing all types of violent activities. Right? And I was like, this is a lie. And it's like the algorithm don't lie. All you got to do is stop and look at it for just a moment. You know how it is, right? Yeah, man, we live in an age and time now where they have the computer systems are now learning how you think. So they're going to give you what you want to see. You know what I mean? They're going to give you what you want to see. Yeah. I don't know who I want to draw next. I'm just picking out random faces. But I guess I'll just worry about that when I get there, right? Just whatever's interesting to me. That's what I'm going to do tonight. Right? This is my second time streaming today. I did one early in the morning. That's when I usually do the instruction thing. But if you did see that one, if you didn't, you got to go back and check it out. It's about it's like showing, like, I kind of go through the process of how I build my faces up, right, and stuff. Right. Notice I have a bit of a graffiti-ish style because that's kind of like what I grew up. I'm a 70s baby. I was born in 1973, man. That was a good year. I think, anyway. Had to be a good year. That's the day I was born, right? Yep. So, anyway, that's Daisy's picture right there. Daisy's quick little cartoon drawing. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate, guys, to go ahead and give us a like. Also, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also, guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. It's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.